Hey there, foodies and flavor adventurers. Welcome to the vibrant world of Traverse Bay Farms, where taste meets tradition in the most delicious way possible. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive, behind-the-scenes journey into the creation of our nationally award-winning cherry salsa. We first introduced this nationally award-winning salsa way back in 2001, soon after we started our food business. In this video, we'll take a look behind the scenes for our cherry salsa. This isn't just any salsa, it's a testament to our unwavering commitment to bringing you the highest quality, nationally award-winning products. From the spark of inspiration to the final, flavor-packed jar on your table, we've meticulously crafted every step of the process. So, buckle up and get ready for a flavorful adventure as we unveil the detailed roadmap that helps us transform Michigan cherries into the award-winning cherry salsa you love. Let's dive into the delicious details. Phase 1: Concept and Research, months 1 to 3. Idea generation: brainstorm different cherry salsa recipes and flavors. Market research: analyze current market trends, potential customer preferences, and competitor analysis. Feasibility study: evaluate the technical feasibility and cost implications. Define target audience: identify primary consumer segments for cherry salsa. Regulatory compliance: understand and plan for compliance with food safety and labeling regulations. Phase 2: Development and Testing, months 4 to 7. Recipe development: create multiple cherry salsa recipes with varying sweetness, spice levels, and texture. Supplier sourcing: identify and secure suppliers for cherries and other ingredients. Prototype creation: produce small batches for internal testing. Sensory evaluation: conduct taste tests with a focus group to gather feedback. Recipe refinement: modify recipes based on feedback and retest until the desired product is achieved. Shelf life testing: ensure the product's stability and longevity under various storage conditions. Phase 3: Production and Quality Assurance, months 8 to 11. Production planning: finalize the production process, including scaling up the recipe and setting quality standards. Quality control: implement quality control measures throughout the production process. Batch production: small batch production to ensure processes and quality standards are met. Phase 4: Launch and Evaluation, month 12 plus. Product launch: officially introduce the cherry salsa to the market. Customer feedback: gather customer feedback through reviews, social media, and direct communication. Performance analysis: monitor sales data, marketing effectiveness, and operational efficiency. Post-launch adjustments: make necessary adjustments to production, marketing, and distribution based on performance and feedback. We hope you enjoyed diving into the delicious world of Traverse Bay Farms and discovering the craft behind our process for introducing our award-winning cherry salsa to the world. As a token of our appreciation for joining us on this flavorful adventure, we're excited to offer you an exclusive 10% discount on your next purchase. Just use the code CHERRYVIDEO at checkout to enjoy some savings on your favorite Traverse Bay Farms products. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our community. Don't forget to visit our website at traversebayfarms.com to explore our full range of delicious, all-natural products and to use your special discount. Whether you're stocking up on cherry salsa or exploring our other award-winning offerings,